here from Pennsylvania. Ngayon, alas 6 na ata dito ngayong umaga guys. Kagigising ko lang. But I wanna show you what it look like outside after the snowstorm. Kasi this is not the third 3 days snowstorm. So I'm gonna show you what they look like up there. We've been shoveling couple times from Sunday to Monday yesterday. So today is Tuesday. I'm gonna show you what it look like, but it's not gonna be fun because okay guys, nako, muntik na kami malibing dito sa. Oh, don't worry, we can't go out right now. We have to shovel the snow outside guys. Oh my god. So sobra ang kapal. Very talagang I never see this snow before. I can't even open the door. Look at that. The snow is covering the doorway. So I'm gonna see, because I have to shovel outside. Look at that guy. We shoveled this couple times last night and very thick. And it's still a little bit snowing. Sobra. We don't know where to put all the snow. They even coming inside and it's still windy. Oh my god. This is bad. I never ever see this snow before. Ayan. Sobra. Tingnan mo. Wow. Sobrang kapal. My husband don't go work today. We're planning on cleaning the snow today. This is what it look like in the backyard right now guys. We are buried in the snow. I have a snow boots wear, so thank God I did. But look at this, what it look like here. The whole cylinder were almost buried with the snow. We didn't been shoveling. If you can see the line over here, that's where we've been shoveling, because we've been making paths for dogs so they can go in and out and go potty. I think we did this twice yesterday. It was Monday. But I just want to show you what it look like in here guys. Sobra. And ever since we move in here, never see this, how thick. You see that tree here? The tree almost buried in the snow. I don't know how many inches we have. We've been snowing yesterday, non-stop snowing ever since Sunday. So yan, tingnan mo ang pole namin, sobrang kapal ng snow. Ayan, so you see the line, how deep the line is. Yan ang kapal, sobrang kapal. Very, look at how yan, kaya over here you have to, wala kang magagawa kung wala kang snow blower guys, kasi you can shovel it, but it's too hard to shovel by hand because sometimes the snow is too heavy. So mabuti na lang may snow blower kami. Did you see the line over here that we made? This is 3 times we shovel with snow blower last night, and our planter almost buried. See, if you could see my planter guys, that's almost buried. We don't know where to put all the snow. All the rooftop is covered. My post steps is full of snow. So thank God my husband didn't go to work today, so we can all just work all day with this thing, make a path for a dog. because you can't shovel them. It's very thick. My pond completely covered. Even though I have ice melter in there, but we need to take that, make a hole out of there. So my patio is full of snow. It's completely buried. Okay guys, that's all I see right now. This is the first time I ever see that much snow. For 3 days been snowing, so I'm gonna shovel spots for the dogs so they can go out and potty. So here is my dog waiting. I felt bad, and this is the snow. She wants to go out bad, and I'm busy talking. See how thick the doorway here, stopping. See, that's how. And if we wasn't shoveling a couple times yesterday, that was probably over here. That's how probably far the snow is. Yeah. And let me show. And I talk to you later guys, and I'm give you more update about this snow. Okay. Alright. Hello guys. Let's go again and check the snow outside, because I'm gonna show you where is my husband is cleaning outside. It's a mess in here guys. Look at this. I just shoveled a path, but I know my husband is helping the neighbor. But this is how far the snow up. We have a big pile in here. So I didn't have a chance to. Yeah, we're filled up with snow here. Don't know where to put them. This is all my neighborhood guys. Inansinabol yung snow, pero sobrang kapal talaga yung ano, yung snow doon oh. So my husband is cleaning, helping the neighbor shovel the sidewalk. Okay. Are you been shoveling, John?
I'm done.
Oh, good job.
My shoulder.
I know, I can't even, I'm not shoveling
I had
anymore.
3 fractures in it when I was in that accident.
Did you want to ride them now?
Huh?
Did you want to ride now or later?
You know what? While you're moving it, give me a ride now.
Alright.
Fuck away on the pavement.
He's right here. I'm going to give John a ride up.
Okay.
I'll wait till you pull out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's very, very. Yeah, this is how in here in Pennsylvania I never see this much snow ever since we moved here. I don't remember having this much snow in here guys. So yeah, this is what they look like here. Now you can even see the pond. Yeah, I got a very, very thick. I'm here early before and showing you, but finally the snow is stopped, so we are on a look at that. It's a mess in here, guys. The snow went in even though we have covered there, so they completely blowing airs in here, so the neighbor window is full of snow. So, come on.